Imagine being able to streamline your digital marketing tasks with a single click. Sounds amazing, right? Well, thanks to Chrome extensions, this isn't just a dream, it's reality. Chrome extensions are like small software programs that modify and enhance the functionality of the Chrome browser. They have become indispensable tools in the digital marketing world, helping to automate tasks, improve productivity, and gain valuable insights. Think about it. Need to track your SEO performance? There is an extension for that. Want to manage your social media platforms from one place? There's an extension for that too. From keyword research to competitor analysis, Chrome extensions are like an army of assistants ready to make your life easier at the click of a button. Chrome extensions are no less than superpowers enhancing the capabilities of digital marketers. But are all extensions equally beneficial? Here is a question that's been stirring up debates in the digital marketing world. Do Chrome extensions bring more benefits or drawbacks? On one side of the ring, we have marketers championing for these nifty tools. Chrome extensions are known for their increased efficiency and convenience. They are like your digital Swiss Army knife, offering a tool for just about everything. Need to check your website's SEO? There's an extension for that. Want to see your competitors' ads? There's an extension for that too. They give you instant access to a wealth of data right at your fingertips. However, every coin has two sides. On the flip side of this debate are the skeptics. They are concerned about privacy. After all, these extensions have access to your browsing data, what you are looking at, where you are clicking. It's all in there. And then there's the question of reliability. Not all extensions are created equal. Some might be glitchy, others might not, but updated regularly. Over-reliance on these tools can also be a pitfall. We have all heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Well, the same applies to Chrome extensions. So we see that the debate is not about the usefulness of Chrome extensions, but rather about how to use them wisely and responsibly. It's about striking the right balance between leveraging these tools for their benefits while being conscious of the potential drawbacks. It's about being a savvy digital marketer who knows that the key to success is not just about having the right tools, but knowing how to use them effectively. Despite the controversy, there are some Chrome extensions that digital marketers swear by. Let's delve into four of them. First up, we have Mosebar, a favorite among SEO enthusiasts. Mosebar provides instant metrics while viewing any page. It can display elements like page authority, domain authority, and even the number of links pointing to a page. With this extension, you can easily analyze your competitors' strategies and make data-driven decisions. Next on our list is the Buffer extension. If you are into social media marketing, Buffer can be a real game changer. It allows you to schedule posts for different social media platforms, all from one place. You can plan your post for times when your audience is most active, ensuring maximum engagement without the constant need to log in and post manually. Then there's Grammarly. Whether you are drafting a blog post or crafting a compelling ad copy, Grammarly can help you ensure that your content is free from grammatical errors. It even suggests improvements in vocabulary and sentence structure. Remember, clear and error-free content is key to effective communication in digital marketing. Next, there is Google Analytics URL Builder. This tool lets you track where your traffic is coming from. You can add parameters to URLs to identify the channels that are driving the most traffic. This way, you can optimize your efforts for the channels that are working best and rethink your strategies for those that aren't. These four extensions offer an overview of what's possible when technology meets marketing. But as always, the key is to find the right balance. As digital marketers, we are always on the hunt for tools that can give us an edge. Peering into the future, we foresee a digital marketing world shaped by deeper personalization, powered by artificial intelligence. But with great power comes great responsibility. The growing concern around data privacy regulations will dictate the way we use these tools. So, as we look to the future, one question remains. How will you navigate the the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing tools. Now, watch this video next to discover the secrets to grow an online business. Having the tools is not enough. You have to shift your mindset to build a successful business. See you in the next one.